OFM Sport.
To back last week's performance up with another one this week, it's going to be tough. But look, we want to be a team that plays well every week, and it's a good challenge for us to see if we can do that.
And in the context of the development of the Cheetahs and your guys' mission going forward, how big was it on Saturday? Because you guys were in the fight for 80 minutes first of all, and it also looked like there was a plan in that game, albeit it was edge of the seat stuff.
Morgsy, there's a plan every week. It just doesn't look like it sometimes. But no, definitely. I think for me, the biggest positive was what happened the last couple of years was when somebody punched us in the face and all the calls doesn't go our way, we tend to fade away a bit. And what happened on the weekend, the guys stuck to the plan, fronted up, and really that last 20 minutes and the guys coming off the bench had a massive impact. Duxie and JK and Sisonke that came off the bench, they really brought a different energy to the game, and I think that really helped us as well. So going into this week, we need that and more. We want to do better. We want to, at the end, we want to smash teams in South Africa. So still a long way off. We're still learning every week, but there was some real positive signs on the weekend.
And we've spoken about John and what he's done over the last while and the opportunity he's grabbing. He's just been an absolute revelation for you guys. But I also felt that Ethan looked really good when he came on, and he made quite a big difference to that back line. He just added something for you guys.
Yeah, look, he's an exciting player, especially on attack. And it will be interesting to see where we can go from here. Look, with Blomme here as well, he can learn a lot from Blomme at 15. We'll see what we're going to do with him. But the biggest thing for me is we need to get Ethan back on the park. He needs to get his confidence back from Shimla's days where I think when he rocked up here first, he believed he can do anything. So we need to get him back to that mindset because we all know how brilliant he can be.